gotta do is grab it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Not hard.
I won't. I'm not gonna pull. Okay, I'm just gonna grab. You got some?
You pulled it right outside.
No, you pulled away, so it yanked.
Who knew they stretched?
Dude, it stretched your nip like an inch.
Right away.
It's right there, bro.
Bro, you got big ass titties.
not even.
Okay.
No, I'm recording. Yeah, exactly. Look at that thing. Get close up.
That gets my balls warm. I like this.
There, they're watching you pop. I'm so hard right now.
Oh shit. Foot. Oh! Yeah. Oh! Dude. A wheelie? No.
Yeah.
Did I make the video?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh crap, guys. I'm not making it up.
Ryan, what are we doing to your truck, dude?
Oh, some nitrous, I think. About 13 turbos. Yep. It's gonna sound like my 95.
Turbos and superchargers too.
And superchargers.
Obviously. So we're coming over here, taking his old air filter out, putting this new one in. Yep, just getting Ryan's truck all figured out.
Little tune up. I'm gonna start it now, but that's gonna ruin the surprise.
That was terrible.
Watch this thing just sound bad.
What's it gonna sound like, Zach?
It's gonna sound like. It's gonna sound good, yeah. I think it will.
He's always repeating people. Sounds way better. What do we think?
This black Duramax.
What has to be black?